Hi there, this is an episode of a series that I made a couple of years ago called Jamrea Kitchen. My wife makes stuff, I explain how she did it, and really that's all there is to it. Hi there, my name's Jamie Dyer, and in this video I will tell you how you can make a dairy-free banana smoothie. So firstly, our ingredients are oat milk, banana, and chia seeds. Secondly, the equipment you need is a container to blend in if you're not using a food processor. I use this pyrex jug, a container to serve in, any sports bottle, cup or glass of your choice, a blender of some sort. I use this immersion blender, but any food processor should work okay. So to start with, we take the banana, peel and break into chunks, putting them in your container or the jug of your blender. Add around a teaspoon of chia seeds, put those in next, and then your milk of choice. I use oat milk, but it could be any type of milk or milk alternative of your choice. Fill your drinking vessel to about halfway, then pour that into the jug. Now we come to blending. Blend it up until it's your desired consistency. This is smooth, but quite thick. At this point, you could add more milk, but I fill my glass to about 1/8 of the way with water and add that in. Now blend again. And now you're ready to serve your smoothie. So here is the smoothie that was made in this video. If you look closely here, you can see the chia seeds, and it's quite thick on the top. Let's have a try. Now this is sat in the fridge for a while, so it's very cold. So it is still quite thick there, but you can do the milk suggestion or just keep blending is the way to go. It's all trial and error, and the thing is about the ingredients in here, if you can't get hold of any of the ingredients, you can kind of swap them out. You don't necessarily need chia seeds in there, for example, just a suggestion. You could use almond milk in here. I've heard that that other types of milk, such as nut milk, is quite nice. There's potato milk now. Not quite sure how well that would go with this. So yeah, I have this pretty much every day. I love it. It's lovely fresh taste of banana in the morning. And those chia seeds just add that little extra something. So there we are. Have a go at this recipe and let me know how you get on in the comments below, and also on social media at JamieDyer89, and show me the results of your smoothie making.